Hi, I've got the pulley off now. We used a set of hydraulic pullers. And I'm just gonna have a shot at trying to get the crankshaft out, I think. We got the hydraulic pullers off of a friend. We had a mechanical one. He also gave us a mechanical one, but it was just a bit too small. It was one of the two draw ones and then pull off like that. So this here was the mechanical puller that we used. I'll publish some photos just now of me taking it off, but it came off pretty easily. The only couple problems that we had was towards the end. It was too close and we were like running out of room, but just as we ran out of room, I was just able to wiggle it off, which is great. Okay, so this here is the flywheel that came off. You've got the number there. It came off relatively easy with the hydraulic puller. It's quite good though, because on this I still have the directly up line and the spark plug line, so hopefully they won't get washed away when doing cleaning. But yeah, there's no damage as far as I can see to the flywheel, so I don't see any reason why it shouldn't have to be replaced. Now I've got the flywheel off. I've now got to take the crankshaft out, which there's 5 nuts holding it on, so that shouldn't be any problem. I think it's these 5 down here which I need to take off, not these 4. So yeah, I'll just get started with that. I've let them soak for a couple of days now in WD-40. I'm just gonna have a shot with my breaker bar now. Okay, so I've got the 14mm socket on. That's the best one that fits that I have. And I believe I just need to take these off. So I'll try not to break them. Okay, so that's all 5 bolts out. One of them came out with a stud. But I'm going to get my dad to help me take it off because it's probably too heavy. So I won't be able to film it, but I'll take loads of photos, alright? It's moving a little bit, you can see there. And hopefully it should just pop out, and then that will be the engine down to its most basic point. Okay, so it's out, and the piston is also out, and it's just sitting over here. I put it in a plastic bag because all the stuff off the ceiling falls down, and I didn't want any of it getting into like the bearings and stuff. Here's the piston. It came out, it got wedged right at the top, but I think that was just the rings wedging it. But it doesn't look that bad. It's just a little bit rusted around here. So yeah, it came out pretty easily. I did have to do a little bit of tugging here, just like wobbling it around, trying to get out. And then once that was out, I had someone hold it here, and then we just popped out through the top. So probably the next bits I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the guard here and the oil thingy, and I'm also empty out all the oil. Then this will be finished. The 2 things which I've still got to do on the block is I've got to replace this bit here, which might be a bit difficult to do, and I've also got to replace this stud here, which I snapped off. I think all of that's okay, and then I just need to repaint it all, and then probably make a trolley like that. I can use like the wheels and stuff off of that one, but I need the wood's all corroded, and no, the wood's all rotted through. I seem to be getting into the habit of not recording outros, so here we go again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I've got the flywheel off and the crankshaft out. It should be a lot easier, just getting all the oil out and everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do drop a like and subscribe. Once again, if you have any questions, just put them in the comment section. I will answer them, or if you have any advice, even better, please put it down there. And I hope I see you again.